plant-powered ramen bowl with avocado and potatoes. Roughly chop the almonds. Cut the potato into small, bite-sized pieces. Put them in a bowl and microwave it. While the potatoes are still warm, mash it with a fork. Add soy milk, salted rice, malt, and pepper, and mix it. Cut the avocado into small, bite-sized pieces and place them in a bowl. Add olive oil, salt, pepper, and gently mix to coat. Bring a pot of water to a boil and cook the ramen. Place the cooked ramen in a bowl and top it with the potato mixture, avocado, and chopped almonds.